Zombie apocalypse.
Um, Hi guys, so I'm doing another video of my series. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your mouse correctly and do drag and dropping, and not go hairy bailey all over the place like this, and actually do something with your mouse. So you go to your home page. I'm using Microsoft Edge right now. So, and you scroll down here and you need to find pre-reader express 2020, then view course. Click it, and then click this learn to drag and drop, and click one with the computer image before it. And now task one is very simple, clicking a block. So I'm going to just click this apple, and then it makes a funny bubbly sound like beep boop pa. And then you click the continue button. Now we have completed puzzle number 1. Now we need to drag this to here like this. Okay, I don't know what happened. I did not click the continue button. Now it's also very easy. It's a puzzle now, a two puzzle. So I'm going to click the orange continue button. And now it is a elephant puzzle. Hmm. Pre-reader is the place where you can basically learn how to drag and drop. So now it's a goldfish, which is a 3 puzzle. And you don't have to just solve it here. You can do it anywhere. Uh, this is the wrong order. Like you can do it like that, not inside this. So if any circle like this is white, you have not completed in the activities. And if any circle is green, you have completed the task that learn drag and drop. Okay, now it's a triple three. Okay, now it's a flower image on. Okay, now we're on the 9th one. We're very close to the 12th one. Now it's a house in a circle. We're in position 9. Now we are in 10. So the computer now. Okay, so now this is the 11th puzzle. And you must be learning quite a lot of how to use a mouse and drag and drop. How the way I'm dragging is, see, I'm mouse hovering this 3, and then I'm clicking my mouse, and then I'm not letting go of my mouse button, and then once I mouse over here, see, I release my finger, and then it gets completed. That's how you drag and drop. Now we need to arrange it. Okay, you learned how to drag and drop. So in the next video, I'm going to tell you something more advanced than how to learn drag and drop. So stay tuned for that video. So click the orange continue button. You don't need to, don't click on this video to play it. And then congratulations, you learned how to drag and drop in code.org, which we are going to be using for creating apps. So that's it for today's video. Please like, subscribe and comment to my channel. Bye.